Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Check out this amazing family vehicle we have for you today. This is a 2019 Kia Sedona LX Plus. This has style, this has got some great features, it's got incredible fuel economy, and best of all, it is priced extremely well, so that way you can buy the van for your family without breaking the bank. Now, underneath the hood of this Sedona is a 3.3 liter V6 engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Right now on the trip odometer, it is showing 7 liters per 100 kilometers fuel economy combined. That is incredible fuel economy. As you can see from the side profile here, it is a full-size minivan, which is kind of an oxymoron, but it's a 8-passenger configuration. That second row is very versatile. We'll show you that in a moment, but first we're going to continue walking around the outside so that way you can get a look at the condition and the nice features. We've got these great looking 17-inch alloy wheels. That is brand new rubber on here as well. 4 brand new tires with the purchase of this Sedona. Now, coming around to the back, we're going to get into the cargo area. That is probably one of the big reasons why you are looking for a van. You want to be able to carry a lot of passengers with a lot of cargo, and you can do that for sure with this Sedona. But first, we'll just have a look at this nice tailgate in the back. Love the fact that we have a rear bumper protector on here, so that way as you load things in and out, it doesn't scratch that nice paint. We have a power tailgate because this is the LX Plus model. And as this is opening, I will show you here on the key fob. So we've got our power sliding doors and the power tailgate as well on the key fob. So you're going to see those power sliding doors in just a moment. But here is why you want to buy a van. This is a full-size luggage, plenty of room to spare. You could put probably 2 or 3 of these standing up if you needed to, or hockey bags, or stuff for going to the cottage, whatever the case is. Lots of cargo back here. And then of course we do have these fold down rear seats. I'm going to see if I can do that with you very quickly here. Move these mats out of the way. So to fold these down, it's really simple. They're actually numbered. So grab this handle, releases the back of the seat, and then as you do that, you grab the second one and it all folds down. Just like that. Now, it's not usually that much of a struggle. I'm doing it with one hand. But you can see, even with one hand, you can fold it down relatively easy. To put it back up, same idea. This goes back, and then you pull number 2 to put up the backrest. And then just like so. And you can see you can actually recline that backrest a little bit more back if there's people in the back for some more comfort. But that's how simple that is. And then you can see you'd have a fold flat 3rd row seating as well. Coming around the passenger side, great time to tell you that this vehicle has been fully reconditioned from Clarington Kia. We're going to review what's been done to this when we get to the inside of the Sedona. Up front, LED daytime running lights, nice looking headlights, fog lights down below, nice looking front grille. Now let's go take a look at this second row. So, one of the things I love about the Sedona, and it kind of continued through to the Carnival, they didn't make any changes because it was so great, is this second row seating. So you can see we do have the armrests on both sides. Now this middle seat is where it gets interesting. So this middle seat is on a slider, as are these 2 outboard seats. So they can all kind of slide forward and back independently. But you can also take out that middle seat. So if you want to have it like captain's chair, so it's one seat, the other seat, and a pass-through through the middle, you can take that middle seat out, and then you have that option as well. You can also just fold down that for another larger armrest as well, but very versatile second row. All of them independently move, and that's important not only for comfort in here, but for the 3rd row. To get back to the 3rd row, that's this simple. Just give this a pull, and everything slides out of the way, nice and easy. You can hop back here, and then with that second row being able to adjust forward and back, you can customize how much leg room these 3rd row passengers will have. You see 3 seats back there, 3 seats in the middle for 8 passengers in total. Now, sliding this all back, power tailgate, power doors. We even have built-in sunshades. You can see the tab for it there. Built-in sunshades, not only on that second row, but even in the 3rd row. So there's a sunshade that's built in there as well. So everybody gets that shade. And if you want to take a look up, there is ventilation in the roof, which is critical if you have kids in rear-facing child seats. Vents there are not going to help if your child seat back is here. That vent up top is going to get down here on the little one and keep them warm or cool or whatever they need, which is really kind of important. Up front, great looking seats. Again, this is a non-smoker vehicle. There's no rips, tears, stains, or burns. We have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support, a great looking second row seat, and yes, there are even adjustments right there for this passenger seat. Why, you may ask? Well, let's assume you're trying to put in a car seat in the second row. Maybe it's your husband or wife trying to put it in. Well, they don't want to have to get out and come to the front and move this seat around. You can do that as a driver right there from the comfort of your seat. It makes things a lot easier. Now that we're up front, leather wrapped steering wheel. It is a heated steering wheel as well. We've got our Bluetooth and radio controls, our cruise controls on the other side, and this button here goes through the menu system and our center display. You can see there 167,000 kilometers. Look at that, 6.8 liters per 100 kilometers fuel economy combined. That is really incredible. So a very, very fuel efficient Sedona is what we're looking at. Just giving you a point of view from the driver's perspective. Everything's nice and neatly laid out for our center console. In the infotainment display, you can see Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so it has that. We hit all menus here. You can see the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Great stereo system in this as well. A nice clear rear view camera system, and we also have that sonar, which you can kind of hear here is just acting up because I have that suitcase behind me, right? So there you go. So it's going to give you kind of the dual benefit of sonar and a camera, just in case the camera has some snow or slush on it. That's always helpful. We have our tri-zone climate control. So front, pardon me, I guess it's dual zone, front and rear climate control. So you can set that all from the front as a driver or a passenger. We have a wireless charging pad plus a USB port down here, so your phone will start to charge when you drop it on there. Our 6-speed automatic gear selector. We have the Active Eco, which of course is going to help us get that incredible fuel economy that we see. Our heated seats for the driver and passenger, our heated steering wheel as well, and then a lot of storage in this center armrest, as you would appreciate. As a parent, you want that, and we even have 2 glove boxes, one up top and one down below for the passenger side as well. Now, as I was mentioning outside, our reconditioning and Carfax. So no accidents on this 2019. We even have 9 service records on file that you can review. And then here is what we are doing to this vehicle to get it ready for sale for you. An oil change, engine air filter, air cabin filter, new front wipers, a rear brake service, replacing the front control arm bushings, both left and right, replacing leaking coolant lines on the back, which is no big deal, installing 4 brand new tires, and then an alignment, all for a total of $2,704 being spent to recondition and get this Sedona back up to our very, very strict standards. So folks, if you're looking for that incredible passenger van, that incredible deal, this is a great choice for you right here at Clarington Kia. This 2019 Sedona LX Plus with all the features that you need to keep your family, friends, and everybody aboard nice and comfortable and safe. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you at Clarington Kia.